Alright guys, a little daily vlog. Basically we're at the car today. The insurance adjuster came and thank God, but it's not totaled. So they're not going to total it out on me. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to go to Kaput's Auto Body in Chicopee, Mass. And they're going to be helping me out here with this. So basically what I got to do is, since that is into my tire, we have the donut that's smaller. So basically, hopefully this won't be going into the donut, so I got to take this off right now. Got that donut fitment. So basically, we had to throw the donut on because of how the car was hit. So the fender was going into the tire. So now basically what all I did was I threw that donut on so it'll clear the fender. So now we're rolling. Alright guys, so coming up here on the right, we dropped off my car already. I didn't get it on footage because I was just too busy talking with the owner and such and trying to make sure that everything's going to be legit about it. And he's going to do awesome work. That's all I've heard, great things about these guys. But it's coming up here. It's actually called Kaput's Auto Body here in Chicopee, Mass. So that's where we're at. So basically, we dropped my car off, okay? Like I said, we talked to the guy, everything's good. Insurance is going to be all taken care of. So now, since the car is not going to be totaled, I'm super pumped about that. We had to drop a couple things off at a friend's house. Basically what it was is like a canopy and the cooler from the previous drift event. And so as we're dropping this off, we're going into the garage. We're about to put the stuff in the garage. All of a sudden, we see a truck back into my mom's Mercedes. And I am not, guys, look, my mom's right here. She's not happy, but it is what it is. But I swear to God to you, a guy backed up and hit my mom's Mercedes today. So it's it's just ironic how we just dropped my car off at the auto body shop and we weren't in the car was parked legally and she got backed into. It's insane. So as soon as we stop at the house, I'll get you guys some footage of the actual damage on her car.
We got another car that's got to go into the body shop.
What is this going to run?
I don't know. We'll find out when we bring the Mercedes to Kaput's when Jeremy's is done.
Well, I thought he already told you $1,000 on yours.
He did, but I think it's going to be a little bit more than that.
Why, did you have an accident?
Somebody backed up into me while I was parked.
Son of a bitch.
Yep. So Jeremy will tell you the whole animated story when we get to the house.
All right, I'm going to have another beer.
Okay.
Basically, guys, so this is what happened. So looks good. Looks good. Dent family. So it's crazy though. Like I said, we were just literally putting stuff up in the driveway, and we just turn around and all you hear is boom. And now the crazy thing is where the house is, it's in a cul-de-sac. So it just like it's totally dead. Like no one's around there. It was crazy. So that's basically that. Going on from there, basically Matt's hooking me up with the Saturn right now. Thank you, Matt, so much. I want to give him a shout out to Matt. He actually just left today for basic training in the Army. So he's letting me use the car until the Z gets fixed. So truly, thank you so much, Matt. You are a true friend. You're freaking awesome, dude. Your family's awesome. So I'm super pumped that I get to drive this thing around. Like I said, I'd be kind of stuck because I work full time. We don't have a lot of money to get extra cars. We're trying to get the Jeep running, like up and running, get it on the road as soon as possible, so I don't have to use that. But for right now, like this, I'm just in a bind. So it's super helpful. So thank you, Matt, again. You're the man. Thanks to all the guys in the group, just trying to keep my like cheer me up and everything, and like trying to just keep me happy with the whole entire Z being all messed up, because it definitely sucks. So I feel terrible for my mom that just happened. As soon as we dropped off my car, that happened. So, but we'll get that fixed. Hey, Kaput's is gonna get their name out there through us. So, but quick little short video for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, buy your merch. Don't forget the website's at the end of the video. Check it out. Get some decals. Get some t-shirts. And you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Peace.